The last of the sprinkles have exited. Clouds have broken. We haven't had complete clearing in eastern Mass, but that will occur overnight tonight. But it will also be a cool night. Now, tomorrow we have lots of sunshine for the morning and the midday hours. By the end of the day, the sky will take on a milky appearance. That'll be the forerunner of the next change. Tomorrow will be another sea breeze day. So look at it overnight tonight. A few spots will be around the freezing mark with some frost scattered, about 41, let's say, on Nantucket. Close to 40 right here in downtown Boston. And then for tomorrow, look for a really nice day. The pick of the week, mostly sunny. Again, afternoon sea breezes. We'll have it low 50s on average along the shoreline in the afternoon, but low 60s well inland. And then you see the temperature contrast in the middle of the country. That's where the next weather system started to organize. So it's time to bring in Kellyanne. And Kellyanne, give us the timeline on the changes to follow.
Yes, so we are tracking more rainfall for later this week, unfortunately. As this moves in, looks like we'll start off with some showers approaching for Thursday, a lot more clouds in place. But the heavier rainfall moves in for late Thursday night, more so into Friday morning. So as we're talking about the impact from this next storm system, we're really focusing in on the late overnight hours through Friday, as this will be the time frame where we could see some downpours and even strong damaging wind pushing through as well. This is going to pack a little bit more of a punch during that time frame as we especially move late into the day on Thursday. So the pick of the week tomorrow, windy and rainy on Thursday. Initially just showers moving by, but then as we move toward the late night hours Thursday into Friday morning, you can see how that rain starts to intensify, moving in from the west, and that moves through for Friday into the afternoon. Looks like we could see a few lingering showers on Friday night. Also watching the chance for some of these showers to linger into Saturday. There's been some difference with the models as far as the timing of the departure of this storm system, but the one model that we really like to follow is keeping some of those showers lingering with some lingering circulation with a very slowly departing low pressure area. So that means we could see some lingering showers into the day on Saturday and also some clouds around. Still relatively mild, low 60s as we move into Saturday, but things get much warmer as this storm moves out for Sunday. We're making our way toward the upper 60s Sunday. It appears that some inland locations could make a run toward even 70 degrees. Next, rain potential moves in by Monday. High temperatures start to cool off as we move toward the middle of next week.